This is Tom Morad. And you are, well, you're all going to participate in putting down this finish on the concrete slab?
Yes, yep, we're going to...
Right. So, Tom, what is involved in doing this?
Well, you need to first etch the concrete with a mineral acid to allow the absorption. And
so a mineral acid, not like a muriatic acid?
Right, right, because we're using acrylics. And the muriatic acid is much too strong, and it keeps activating the liquid in the acrylic.
I see. So you've washed it with a mineral acid.
That's correct.
And if I want to do this at myself,
shocking the substrate.
Shocking the substrate.
Absorbing the stain.
The substrate being our concrete slab.
Being the floor.
And the problem with a concrete slab that's just unfinished like this is that it's always kind of dusty. And if you spill something on it, sometimes the stains won't come out.
That's right. After it's etched, it will look chalky, but it should not feel chalky. There should be no residue on the surface.
This has been etched, and now how do you do it? I mean, do you
Well, I apply the stain with just these hand pump
Go ahead and show us.
Applicators, and I try to make drift patterns.
Now, you've used a brown stain in here, right?
That's correct.
But do I assume you can go with any color you want?
Oh, yeah.
Red, green, yellow, or in between?
Hundreds of colors available.
And then this is kind of like a little skimmer.
Right.
Squeegee.
To help move the material. You don't want a lot of pooling.
Yeah, you don't want any puddles forming.
Right. So you want to be able to move it around. Be sure it absorbs in for a long-lasting job. That's pretty much the activity.
And then what's the timing? Does it need to dry overnight, or?
It dries very fast.
So once you've dried it, is that all there is, or is there another coat that you add later?
Well, there's going to be two more colors because we're making an attempt to tie in these colors with the porcelanosa tile.
Okay.
And so there'll be two more colors applied, and then a clear coat of gloss sealer.
So tying it in with the porcelanosa tile, does that mean you're going to make it darker?
That's right. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what color did you choose for the pool deck?
Oyster.
Oyster.
Just a nice light because of the heat that will be out in the sun all day. So they.
Yeah, out in the sun you do want to reflect the heat as opposed to absorbing.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And then what are you doing? The bedroom's going to have a wood floor, right?
Right. A Bella wood, hardwood, Brazilian walnut.
Brazilian walnut. Okay, so you've made some interesting choices. All right, Tom. We'll come back later in the show to see how you're doing.
Great.
Thanks.